Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and welcome to our LPM family. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in this video, we are going to discuss about the chapter number 17, and chapter name is People Who Inspire Us. Chapter name is People Who Inspire Us. It means there are many peoples who inspire us a lot. There are many great personality in our country, in our world, that who inspire us a lot. So in this video we will discuss about the people who will uh, who inspire us a lot. So now look at the activity, that is, let's do it. Find out interesting story about a person you admire and share them with your class. So students, first of all, you have to find out the story about a person who inspire and admire and share them with your classmates. What is it about their life that inspire you the most? And you have to share the story. You have to share the story of any persons and about their lives that inspire you the most. And after that, collect pictures of famous men and women and use the pictures to make a collage. Put it up in your class. So, students, and after that, you have to collect the pictures of famous men and women and famous and use the pictures, and you have to use the pictures to make a collage and put it up in your class, and you have to paste this picture in your class. So look at this picture of collage. So student, this is the collage, because in this picture there are many pictures in one frame. So this type of pictures and this type of pictures we called a collage, and you have to make this type of collage and you have to paste it up in your class. Now look at this next. There are some men and women who through their action and word have made a huge difference in life of the people. So student, there are many men and women and there are many personality that who inspire us a lot. They fought to end the suffering and pain of other and help them to lead a life of dignity and comfort. So student, this great personality and this great persons and this famous man and woman fought for the others and helped them to lead a life of dignity and comfortables. These great people live on forever in the heart of the people whose lives they change. So student, this type of great peoples, you can say the great personality lives on forever, lives on forever in the heart of the people whose life they change. So now look at the next, that is Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp. So students, in this video we will discuss about the lady whose name is Florence Nightingale, and the other name that is given to Florence Nightingale is the lady with the lamp, the lady with the hope. So in this video we will discuss about this lady. Florence Nightingale was born in Europe in the year 1820. So students, Florence Nightingale was a lady was born in Europe in the year 1820. From a young age, she felt a deep desire to serve the needy. So, student, at the early age and at a very young age, he want to serve the needy. He want to serve the person who need the most. At a time when women were only expected to marry and raise a family, so student, at a time when the any woman was young and they only want to expected to marry and raise a family, so at this time, at this young age, she wanted to serve the needy. Florence Nightingale asked her parents to let her to go Germany and learn nursing. So student, at a very early age, at a very young age, he asked her parents that he want to go Germany and learn the nursing. Look at the next paragraph. In 1854, the Crimean War between Britain and Russia began in Europe. So student, in the year 1854, the Crimean War between Britain and Russia began in Europe. The British soldiers were badly in need of medical help. So, student, at the time of war and after the war, the British soldiers were badly need of medical help because of injured in war. The British War Minister Sidney Herbert asked Florence Nightingale to visit the war front and help nurse the injured. So, student, and after that, the British War Minister Sidney Herbert asked to Florence Nightingale to look after the soldiers who injured during the war. Next paragraph. Florence immediately left for the war front. Her hard work in the Crimea saved the life of thousands of soldiers. So, student, when the war ministers of British asked to Florence Nightingale for the help of soldiers, then the Florence Nightingale immediately ready and immediately left for the war front, and her hard work in Crimea saved the life of thousands of soldiers. She also made a nursing a respectable profession for women. So, student, and Florence Nightingale made a nursing a respectable profession. So, student, after the adoption of after the adoption of profession nursing, the nursing profession become a respectable profession for women, and the Florence Nightingale made the nursing a respectable profession for women. Look at the next paragraph. She established one of the first school in the world for nursing. So, student, Florence Nightingale made and established a first